Hi students, I am Prakash, Chartered Accountant and acting as Academic Advisor of Masterminds Educational Institutions. So this video is meant for all CA Inter students who are writing their examinations in July 2021. So in this video, I am going to briefly explain about all the services that we are going to offer for CA Inter students who are planning to write their examinations in November 2021 attempt, my dear students. And my dear students, remember one golden principle in CA or CMA professional courses. So majority of the students commit a mistake that they will start their preparation only after announcement of results. For example, this time examinations are being conducted from July 5th onwards and they may get ended by July 20th. And results will be declared by September ending. Now let us assume you are unable to qualify in the results. Then do you have ample time to set right the issues and appear for November 2021 examinations again? Because hardly you will be left with 1 month. Is it possible to set right all the issues in that 1 month? Because we need to analyze where we went wrong and we need to set right all such issues. Is it practically possible? Definitely not. So that is the reason failure leads to failure. So we need to break this cycle. For that purpose, what we need to do is start your preparation immediately after completion of exams. So after completion of exams, you can take rest for 4-5 days, and after that you need to start your rigorous preparation as if tomorrow is your public exam. Another golden principle every student of CA CMA courses shall remember is every day you need to study as if tomorrow is your public exams. Now in this video I am going to give brief details about all the services that we are going to offer for CA Inter students by the time results get announced. That's why we call it as pre-results batches. So we call it as pre-results batches, and all these services are aimed for students appearing for November 2021 attempt. Now let's see what are these services one after another. The first service is about coaching. Because at least a few students will be there who feel that it's better to take coaching once again. But in my personal opinion, self-learning is the best way of learning. Even if you did not understand few concepts, so just for that sake, it's not wise to join for coaching once again. It's better to study it on your own. You must adopt yourself for self-learning. Anyhow, if at all you are interested to attend coaching once again, then this service is meant for you. So large number of students are sending me request messages to start CA Inter crash batch coaching in physical mode. And at the same time, some students are requesting me to continue crash batch coaching in online mode. Especially students from other states are sending request messages to me to still continue online coaching. So considering the requests of these two types of students, so we have announced these crash batches in a very unique manner. Now what is this service? So in this service, we will provide you coaching in a crisp, clear and a detailed manner, just like a regular batch coaching. And for each crash batch of group 1 and group 2, we will be providing coaching for approximately 450 to 500 hours. That means in both groups together, it will be around 1000 hours. Of course, it's not practically possible to attend coaching for both the groups again. So either you need to choose group 1 or you need to choose group 2. So expert, experienced, well qualified team of faculty, not only for few subjects but all the subjects. So separate coaching will be there for group 1 and group 2, and it's not possible to appear for coaching of both the groups. My dear students, let us assume you belong to IPCC and you are still unable to qualify your group 2. Now, as all of you know, this is going to be the last attempt for old syllabus students. In such a case, what I recommend is you better start taking coaching for group 2 of CA Inter now itself. That is before the announcement of results itself. If at all you get failed in group 2 of IPCC, since you have already finished your coaching for group 2 of CA Inter, you can comfortably appear for group 2 CA Inter examinations in November 2021. So just imagine the situation. You have not finished your coaching of CA Inter group 2 and you got failed in IPCC group 2. What will be the situation? I did not say. And there will be two options for coaching, that is complete physical batch and complete online batch. For complete physical batch, classes will be conducted in Guntur with the Guntur faculty, and whatever the classes being conducted here will be live telecasted. They are not recorded videos. Will be live telecasted to the students of complete online batch through Zoom platform. Since it is a Zoom platform, students who are attending classes in online mode can also interact with the faculty and can clarify their doubts. Alternatively, there will be some students who are doing their articles. So what they are requesting is, sir, we need to attend coaching for group 2, but we struck up in articles. We cannot attend coaching either in physical mode or in online mode. So then what is the option for us? Don't worry. So as and when the classes gets completed every day, we will upload those videos in our app, Masterminds Online Classes app. So in that app, you can directly purchase whatever the crash batch you want, either it is group 1 or group 2. And even you can purchase selective subjects also. Instead of the entire group 1, you can choose whatever the subjects you want. You can directly pay the amount in the app and can start watching the videos as per your own convenient timings. And remember, those are not recorded in the shooting room. So those will be recorded in the live classroom. Hence, even doubts being clarified to the students will also get covered in those videos. And all such videos will be uploaded in our app on daily basis. Hence, in your convenient timings, you can watch those videos. Even if you are attending your articleship, so as and when you find some free time, you can start watching those videos. Now, for detailed information on this service, watch another exclusive video, that is detailed information about crash batches. So there is another exclusive video. I am leaving the link of that video in the cards as well as description. Look at the top right corner of this video, you can find a card. So now another service which is one of the most popular service being offered by Masterminds. So majority students are very much familiar with our service of examinations. So I am going to do details of that service. And what I found is majority of the students who are unable to perform in their public exams are due to one main reason. They are not writing any examinations. Unfortunately, there are large number of coaching institutions who don't conduct even a single examination. Now, so in my opinion, what might be the reasons for poor performance is, first one, not writing any examinations, and majority of the students don't write even a single exam before appearing for public examinations. Then how can they get the proper practice? So for example, you might have experienced that when you have written your public examinations, you might be unable to write fastly for the first 30 minutes because there was no proper practice for you to writing. That's why, to get rid of all these problems, you come and join for our revision examination service. So, and second reason that we found is home preparation. Large number of students are sending request messages to us, sir, please start study hours physically. We are unable to study properly at home. So considering the request of all such students, we are starting study hours physically. And don't forget that in your classes, you might have understood majority of the concepts well. There is no much use in joining for coaching once again. So rather than joining for coaching again, it's better to join for revision examination service so that you will get enough practice. Even if you are not able to perfect in some areas, you can prepare those areas on your own. So self-learning is the best way of learning. So our service of examinations will definitely help you to overcome all these issues. So what is this service is about? We'll make the students, the first service that we are going to offer is called Shri, Study Hours and Revision Examinations. As a part of this service, we will make you to sit for the entire day and we will make you to write examinations twice a week. Unlike others, we will even evaluate those examination papers. And some students may say that, sir, I am not interested to attend the study hours physically. I will study at my home. Can I write the examinations alone? Yes, you can. And that service is called Masterminds Test Series. Actually, both are same. One service is called Study Hours and Revision Exams. Short form is Shri. Another service is called Masterminds Test Series. Short form is MMTS. The difference between these two services is only study hours. So CA inter students can join for both or single group as per their wish. And this time we are starting a unique service in Guntur. So we are going to provide hostel facilities separately for boys and girls, and either boys or girls need not leave the campus, because in the same premises we will conduct the study hours, and in the same premises we will even arrange the food facility also. So as a result, the risk of COVID will also come down and you can also focus more on your preparation. And for detailed information on this service, I am going to make a separate video and I will provide the link of the video in the description as well as cards. Look at the top right corner of the video, you will find a card. And service number 3. So we will CMA Inter Crash Batch. So right now CA Inter examinations are happening and large number of students might be interested to appear for CMA Inter examinations also, which may get conducted in the month of August. In CMA Inter, there will be some chapters or concepts which don't get covered in CA Inter. We have identified and listed out all such concepts and prepared a course, and we have made it available in our Masterminds online classes app. And in that course, you will find all the video lectures of CMA Inter chapters or concepts which don't get covered in CA Inter. In just a matter of 100 to 110 hours of coaching, you will be able to listen to all the classes of CMA Inter which don't get covered in CA Inter. And you can directly purchase that course from our app, Masterminds online classes, by paying a nominal amount of 5,000 rupees. Our team will even provide you the materials. And this is one of the most popular and most sold course in our Masterminds online classes app. I am leaving a separate video on how to purchase this course from Masterminds online classes app. In the card section, look at the top right corner of this video. Service number 4, CA Inter regular batch. There will be some students who may feel that, sir, I just want to attend CA Inter regular batch coaching once again and I will appear for CA Inter examinations in May 2022 rather than November 2021. No issues. For the sake of such students, we are going to have CA Inter regular batch, and this CA Inter regular batch will be available in all our branches. And this is called as 46th session of CA Inter, and this is going to commence from 3rd August 2021. It's a pre-results batch. And huge concession will be there for Masterminds old students if at all they want to join for this course. And 1500 to 1600 hours of detailed coaching will be given for the students of CA Inter regular batches, and both the complete physical batch and a complete online batch options will be there. And so there will be a separate video explaining the introduction to 46th session regular batches of CA and CMA Inter, and I will be leaving the link of that video in the description and card section. So some other information. Why shall we join now? Can't we wait for results? No. So definitely it is wrong to wait for results. Assess your performance in the examinations, come to a conclusion whether you will be able to qualify or not, and take a decision whether it is good to join for coaching or for exams. So even if coaching, you can either attend physically or in online. Even for examinations, you can attend physically or online. So all the options have been prepared and provided to the students. And please be proactive rather than reactive, because after announcement of results, you will have very lesser time to react. And if you want to take admission into Masterminds test series, you have two options. You can just make a call to the mobile number given by us, and the entire admission process can be completed over phone. You need not come and visit our office. Alternatively, you can go to our app, Masterminds Online Classes app, and purchase the course of MMTS directly. You need not approach anyone. So after purchasing the course, our team members will contact you and will tell you how to write the examinations. And I am leaving a separate video link of that service in the card section. Look at the top right corner. Next, COB of Crash Batch, that is complete online batch. Even if you want to join for complete online batch of Crash Batch, don't worry, you need not come to our office. You can directly pay the amount and finish up the admission process through the phone itself. Some students may show interest to purchase the course of Crash Batch in our Masterminds Online Classes app. In such a case, you need not make call to anyone. You can directly install our app and directly purchase the course. So we will follow social distancing norms with respect to seating plan of students. Either it is coaching or examinations, we will maintain proper social distancing. We have decided to accommodate 3 students for every 2 benches. And we will take all safety precautions or SOPs for conducting study hours physically. And auditing, EIS, strategic management, costing, financial management and GST. For all these subjects, CA Inter regular batch videos are already available in our app, Masterminds Online Classes. You can directly purchase them if at all you are interested. I am leaving a link explaining about those courses in the card section. Look at the top right corner of the video. So what if the government announces lockdown again? No problem. So immediately when the government announces lockdown, we will shift the classes of Crash Batch into online mode from physical mode. Similarly, whatever the examinations that you are writing under STREE, that is study hours and revision exam batch, you will be shifted to MMTS service. That means you can continue your examinations right from your home. That facility is also there. So admissions are in progress for CA or CMA Foundation regular batches for December 2021 attempt. Please refer your friends and known persons. Admissions are in progress for MEC, CEC separately, or MEC plus CA or CMA Foundation. We have found some students that they don't show interest in doing CA or RCWA, but they are very much aspirant to pursue courses like MBA or BBA and law courses. Aiming such kind of students, we have started an innovative course in Guntur, that is MEC Pro. So I am leaving a link for the detailed video on MEC Pro in the card section and the description. Please do watch that video, and please do refer your siblings or relatives or known persons who are interested to pursue MBA or BBA or CLAT courses to join in this MEC Pro. So unlike earlier, CMA Foundation and CMA Inter coaching is now available in all our branches of Masterminds. So compared to our earlier batch, we have reduced the fee. We just want to help the students in this pandemic situation, as all are suffering with financial crisis. From June 2020, we came into the ambit of GST. That means we need to pay 18% as GST. But we have decided not to charge GST additionally, and we have decided to bear it from our pocket. So evidences of the quality of services being provided by us. So 19 years of experience we have in CMA coaching, and you know pretty well in these 19 years, several institutions got established and even got shut down. But we have been running from the past 19 years. So 91 ranks at IPCC or CA Inter level in the last 15 attempts. That means on an average, we are getting around 12 ranks per annum, or at least 6 ranks per attempt. And we can humbly say that. So Masterminds is the only institute in AP and Telangana to achieve this kind of results. So all India 4th, 5th, 6th and 9th ranks in IPCC and CA Inter. In each attempt, nearly 2000 IPCC CA Inter students are getting qualified, either both or single group, from our organization. Of course, majority of them have written our revision examinations, either through Shri or through MMTS service. 98 All India ranks in CMA Inter and Final in just one single attempt, that is January 2021. 8 All India ranks in CA Final in 2021 results. And 3 All India first ranks in a single year, that is CA Final All India first rank, CMA Final All India first rank, and CMA Inter All India first rank. And first rank for 46 times in various courses for which we offer the coaching. And of course, the entire credit of these ranks goes to the attitude and hard work of the students. We just acted as a catalyst. We have provided a correct platform for them to flourish. That's it. That's what our role is. We don't want to take the entire credit. If at all you want to avail any of the services being discussed by me right now, so you can call these numbers between 9 to 6 and they will love to serve you. If at all you want to discuss any academic issues with me directly, yes, you can. You can leave a mail to my mail ID, and please don't forget to mention your mobile number in that mail, so that if I need any additional information, I will make a call to you and provide the required guidance. All the best, my dear students.